Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. We are going to begin a new lesson today. So, I request all of you to kindly write on the top of your page of your copy classwork and today's date 3/05/2021. You may write Monday or you need not write also Monday, but you should write classwork and date. Okay, and below that you write lesson 2 sentences. Okay, so the new lesson that we are starting today is lesson 2 sentences. So please write this one in your copy. Okay, after that let us begin to understand what is a sentence. Here, a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. I repeat, a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. It means if a group of words makes complete sense, then it is a sentence. If it does not make a complete sense, then it is not a sentence. Look at the example here. Example is Raju and Harry are. See, here there are 1, 2, 3, 4 words are there in a group. This is a group of words, we can say. But this group of words is not making any sense. It's not giving any meaning. It just says Raju and Hari are. Then we do not know what it is, what it wants to say. Therefore, since this is not making complete sense, this group of words is not giving any meaning. Therefore, this is not a sentence. Look at the second example. Robin is eating rice. See, Robin is eating rice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also there are 4 words. Robin is eating rice. This group of words make complete sense that Robin is eating rice. Therefore, this group of words is a sentence. Okay. So how will you know whether a group of words is a sentence or not? You will know whether it gives a meaning or not. Okay, that is the sentence. Now let us know a few rules. Number 1, a sentence begins with a capital letter. Remember, a sentence begins with a capital letter. You know what is capital letter, and ends with a full stop or a question mark. A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or a question mark. This is the full stop. You have already learned all these things in your previous classes. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or question mark. So when it will end with full stop or when it will end with question mark. So you look at the next statement here. If a sentence is a statement, remember this. If a sentence is a statement, then it ends with a full stop. If your sentence is a statement means you are making a kind of announcement or giving information, or you are making a statement. Okay, you are stating something. A sentence which states something. It does not ask any question. It does not express any astonishment. It just makes a simple statement. For example, Rohan is playing. Okay, Rohan is playing. See, this sentence is not making any question or astonishment, because it is just making a statement that Rohan is playing. Therefore, it ends with full stop. Okay, full stop. Next, if a sentence is a question, okay, remember this. In our previous line, see, if a sentence is a statement, then it will end with full stop. If a sentence is a question, then it ends with a question mark. This is the question mark. So yeah, all this also probably you have learned earlier, the question mark. Now remember, if a sentence is a question, then it ends with a question mark. For example, how are you? We ask question, how are you? What is your name? What are you doing? Where are you going? All these are questions. So if a sentence is a question, then it will end with question mark. Okay, so this much you should remember. Next, A sentence must have a subject. This particular portion is not there in your book. I have added on my own. This is for your knowledge. Okay. So, a sentence must have a subject. Okay, this we will come later, but I must tell you just now itself, no problem. A sentence must have a subject. What is a subject? Subject is the one who does, one who performs the action. About subject and predicate we will learn later, but now you just learn this. A sentence must have a subject, one who does or one who performs the action. So, who can become the subject? Noun or pronoun. Okay, this noun and pronoun also will come in our subsequent lessons. So, noun or pronoun. So, this noun and pronoun can become subject. That example will come. So, a sentence must have a subject. Subject may be noun or pronoun and a verb. Okay, there must be a subject and a verb in a sentence. Without subject and without verb, sentence will not be complete. See, therefore verb. Okay, so verb is, what is verb? Verb is an action word. This verb also will come later in our subsequent classes. So remember this, a sentence must have a subject and a verb. Which is the subject? Noun or pronoun, and verb is an action word. Action word you have already studied in your earlier classes. Okay, so now we will see the example now. Okay, Bobby in the garden. Bobby in the garden. There is no action word here. See, there is no action word, there is no verb here. Bobby in the garden. Okay, so therefore this is not a sentence. Without the verb there cannot be a sentence. Second example, see, Bobby works in the garden. See, Bobby works in the garden. Hey, see here, Bobby is the subject and work is the verb and this is the object. So works, here works is there, works is the verb, therefore this is a sentence. I repeat, without subject or without verb there cannot be a sentence. Okay children, so have a good day. This much I have to tell you today. Whatever I have taught you now in this video, please write in your copy and understand the lesson. From tomorrow we will begin our live class on exercises. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day.